I'll break down the exact step-by-step methods to transfer money seamlessly from Cash App to Apple Pay. We'll look at using a virtual card, how to push funds across a shared bank account if you don't have a card, and the critical minimum limits most tutorials completely ignore. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Before we tap any buttons, you need to understand why these apps don't naturally talk to each other. Apple Pay is not a standalone digital bank account that holds a cash balance. It is a secure digital wallet framework that processes payments by pulling from external debit cards or its native peer-to-peer card, Apple Cash. Because Apple Pay is just a container for other cards, you cannot directly send capital to it. Instead, you have two strategic options. You can either link your Cash App debit card directly into your Apple Wallet layout, or you can cash out your balance to a traditional checking account and manually load it onto your Apple Cash card. Let's explore the Cash Card method. This first method is the absolute best route because it's instantaneous and carries zero fees. You don't even need to wait for your physical plastic Cash App card to arrive in the mail. The virtual version inside your smartphone app works perfectly right now. Open Cash App and look at the bottom navigation dock. Tap the Cash Card icon, which is the small rectangular card graphic. Tap on the image of your custom card or select the card settings option directly below it. Look for the button labeled Add to Apple Pay and click it. Select your iPhone or Apple Watch, review the standard terms of service layout, and confirm. If the button isn't showing up inside Cash App, you can add it from the other side. Open your physical Apple Wallet app and tap the large plus icon in the top right corner. Select a debit or credit card and hit Continue. Manually type in your 16-digit Cash App card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Your Cash Card acts exactly like a traditional Visa debit card. Once it appears inside your Apple Wallet, you can instantly pay for items at retail registers using Apple Pay, and the funds will pull directly out of your Cash App account balance in real time. But what if you want the actual money to completely leave Cash App and settle onto your physical Apple Cash card so you can text the funds to a family member over iMessage? Then you must use a mutual bank account as a bridge. Stage 1. The Cash Out. Open Cash App, go to the bottom left corner, and tap the Money tab which displays your active balance. Click the green Cash Out button and type in the amount you want to move. Choose your processing speed. Standard transfer is completely free and hits your linked bank checking account in 1 to 3 business days. Instant deposit carries a small processing fee but moves the money to your bank in seconds. Once the money lands safely in your traditional bank account, open your iPhone's Apple Wallet app. Tap on your black Apple Cash card, click the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner, and select to add money. Enter the exact amount you want to pull out of your bank account. Apple Cash enforces a strict minimum deposit limit of $10 per transaction. Once you input $10 or more, hit Add and verify the transfer using Face ID or Touch ID, and the money will instantly move from your bank onto your Apple Cash balance. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.